In this video, we will look at a few of the views we just created and saved to the project to investigate how the systems were modeled. If you would like to validate quantities with your 2D takeoff, you will need to understand if the systems are modeled floor to floor, so you can calculate the quantities accurately. This review will also give you an indication as to the quality of the model. Let's start with the exterior enclosure view we created in the last video. Click on the Kobe Office Sample Project. In the search bars, type the name Exterior and then choose your view. To investigate the model level by level, we'll change the grouping of the inventory. Click on the category drop-down and look for the word level. If the level grouping hasn't been created for your project, click on the Group By drop-down and choose Create New Grouping. Name the grouping Level and select the level property to group by. Then click Create. Now objects in the view have been grouped by level. Clicking on the high-level hierarchy of Level 1, you'll notice those objects that are associated with just Level 1. Click through each of the levels to understand how the objects were modeled. In this model, objects are cleanly modeled from floor level to floor level. This will provide you with quantities that more closely align to those quantities you may have taken off using other 2D methods. Let's check the interior partitions. Click on the icon next to the View Chooser and type in Interior and choose your Interior Partitions view. Once again, group your view by level. Review the objects to make sure they are associated with the correct level. A further investigation into this model might be required to determine if all the walls should go from floor to floor. If not, the quantities may be inaccurate. Review your other views level by level to verify the modeling strategy. Once you've completed your review, move on to Section 11 to understand how to condition the model with data.